Welcome to Learn English with Stories. In today's video, we're going to cover 50 essential daily English vocabulary words that you can start using right away. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to brush up on your skills, these words will help you communicate confidently in everyday situations. Let's get started. Morning! The early part of the day from when you wake up until noon. I wake up early every morning to have breakfast. Happy day. Feeling good, glad, or content. She is always happy when she sees her friends. Eat packets. To put food in your mouth and swallow it. I eat lunch at 12:30 every day. Drink. To swallow liquids. I drink water after my workout. House. A building where people live. Our house is near the park. Friend. A person you like and trust. My friend and I go to the movies every weekend. Walk. To move by using your feet. I like to walk in the park in the evening. Run. To move fast on foot. I run in the morning to stay healthy. Book. A set of written or printed pages, usually with a cover. I am reading a good book about animals. School. A place where children go to learn. I go to school by bus every day. Phone. A device used to make calls and send messages. I called my mother on the phone last night. Car. Vehicle with 4 wheels used for driving. My father drives a red car to work. Work. The place where you do your job, or the act of doing a job. She works in a bank. Listen. To pay attention to sound or speech. I listen to music when I study. Sit. To be in a position where your body is resting on a chair, etc. Please sit down and wait for your turn. Love. To feel a strong affection for someone or something. I love spending time with my family. Cold. Having a low temperature. The weather is very cold today. Big. Large in size. That is a big house. Small. Not large in size. She has a small dog that likes to play. Happy. Feeling good, glad, or content. He is always happy when he sees his friends. Afternoon. The time of day afternoon until evening. We usually have lunch in the afternoon. Evening. The time of day from late afternoon to night. I enjoy relaxing in the evening with a good book. Sleep. To rest your body and mind by closing your eyes. I sleep for 8 hours every night. Breakfast. The first meal of the day, usually eaten in the morning. I have eggs and toast for breakfast. Lunch. A meal eaten in the middle of the day. We eat lunch at school. Dinner. The main meal of the day, usually eaten in the evening. We have dinner at 7 p.m. every day. Rain. Water falling from the sky in drops. It looks like it will rain later today. Sun. The star that gives light and warmth to the earth. The sun is shining brightly this morning. Cloud. A white or gray mass in the sky, made of small drops of water. The sky is full of clouds today. Hot. Having a high temperature. The tea is too hot to drink right now. Street. A road in a town or city. My house is on Elm Street. Shop. A place where you can buy things. I am going to the shop to buy some groceries. Money. Coins or paper used for buying things. I need money to buy a ticket for the bus. Bag. A container used to carry things. I always carry my bag when I go to work. Computer. An electronic device used for processing information. I use my computer to write emails. A table. A piece of furniture with a flat surface, usually for eating or working. The food is on the table, ready to eat. Chair. A piece of furniture for sitting. She sat on the chair next to me. Window. An opening in a wall or building, often covered with glass. I looked out the window and saw a bird. Door. A movable barrier used to open or close an entrance. Please close the door when you leave. Family. A group of people related by blood, marriage, or adoption. My family and I went on a vacation last summer. Friend. A person you like and trust. My best friend is coming to visit tomorrow. Teacher. A person who teaches students. Our teacher is very kind and helpful. Student. A person who is learning, usually in a school. I'm a student at the local university. Pen A, tool used for writing or drawing with ink. I need a pen to sign this paper. Clock? A device used to tell the time. The clock on the wall says it's 3 p.m. Shirt. A piece of clothing worn on the upper body. He is wearing a blue shirt today. Shoes. Footwear worn to protect and cover the feet. I bought new shoes for the winter. Thank you for watching. Remember, building your vocabulary is a powerful step in mastering English. Try to use a few of these words in your daily conversations and keep practicing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on new lessons. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.